Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of AI browser. If we go to settings, here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can enter to AI browser and you can click. Here you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you can click on storage. Then you can click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.